Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're doing something extra special, our cozy Sunday supper. This is one of my favorite traditions, inspired by the comforting meals my grandma used to cook when I was little. We're making 5 dishes that blend nostalgia and ease: slow-cooked pot roast, buttery mashed potatoes, honey-glazed carrots, garden fresh salad, and grandma's famous warm apple crisp for dessert. I'll talk you through the prep, share some tips, and let you in on what our Sunday afternoons look like at home. First up, the heart of the meal, grandma's pot roast. I usually season the meat the night before with garlic, rosemary, and salt. In the morning, I brown it, then toss it into the slow cooker with onions, carrots, and a splash of red wine. It cooks low and slow for 8 hours, and the house smells amazing all day long. While the roast simmers, I peel and chop the potatoes, then store them in water in the fridge. Just boil, mash, and stir in butter and cream when it's time to serve. Next, the honey-glazed carrots. I slice them in the morning, and when dinner's almost ready, I sauté them in butter and drizzle them with honey and a pinch of thyme. Sweet and savory perfection. Our light and fresh garden salad brings color to the table. I chop everything in advance: lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion, and store it in airtight containers. Right before dinner, I toss it all with my homemade vinaigrette. And now for dessert, grandma's warm apple crisp. I peel and slice the apples the night before. Then in the morning, mix the crumble topping. It bakes while we eat and comes out golden and bubbling. A scoop of vanilla ice cream on top? Heaven. Setting the table is my favorite part. I pull out the linen napkins, light a few candles, and add a little flower jar from the backyard. Nothing fancy, just thoughtful and warm. At dinner, we talk about our week, laugh about silly things, and sometimes share memories of grandma. I love watching everyone pass plates and lean in close. It's the heart of the home. After supper, we'll take a walk in the backyard, maybe play a board game, or just sip tea on the porch. Sundays are for slowing down and soaking up each other's company. Thank you for joining me today for this special Sunday supper. These meals are more than just food. They're love, passed down through generations. You'll find all 5 recipes below in the description. I'd love to know, what do you cook for Sunday dinner? Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.